Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in car detailing equipment. Today, we're counting down the top 5 foam cannons for mobile detailers. If you're looking to achieve that thick, luxurious foam to take your car washing to the next level, you're in for a treat. Links to all foam cannons can be found in the description below. Let's jump right in. 5. MTM Hydro PF22 Foam Cannon. Crafted with high-quality plastic and brass, this foam cannon offers exceptional durability. It's easily operated by filling the reservoir bottle with your favorite car wash soap, adjusting the foam level, and spraying. The powerful water flow from the compressor ensures advanced automotive dirt removal. 4. Chemical Guys EQ_310 TORQ Professional Foam Cannon. Designed with advanced air injection technology, this foam cannon covers your vehicle with thick foam to effectively remove dirt and grime. It's the ultimate tool for reducing swirl marks and maintaining a flawless finish. The unique air injection technology ensures the foam clings to every contour of your vehicle. 3. Adams Premium Foam Cannon. Packed with industry-leading features, this foam cannon is a must-have for any detailing enthusiast. With dual adjustable spray fans, brass and stainless steel fittings, and a foaming nozzle that fits all types of bottles, it's designed for maximum convenience and performance. The layers of foam created by this cannon provide lubrication and protection for your car's paint, wheels, and trim. 2. Fasmov Car Wash Pressure Washer Jet Wash. With its quality brass construction and adjustable nozzle, this foam lance allows precise mixing and foam generation. Simply fill the reservoir bottle with soap, connect it to your pressure washer gun or wand, adjust the foam level, and spray away. It's perfect for car cleaning, windows washing, driveways, roofs, siding washing, and more. 1. Chemical Guys EQ324 Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. With a head that's nearly 2 inches in diameter, it's the largest foam cannon head from Chemical Guys. Not only is it supersized, but it's also butter smooth and easy to grip, providing the easiest and most pleasant operation ever. This foam cannon generates tons of car wash suds, lubricates the surface to help keep paint scratch-free, and dissolves dirt and grime effectively. Its ergonomic handle and easy-adjust foam knob give you ultimate control over your foam, making the foaming process comfortable and enjoyable. And there you have it, our top 5 foam cannons for mobile detailers. These powerful tools will transform your car washing routine, providing thick, clinging foam that makes dirt and grime removal a breeze. Choose the foam cannon that suits your needs and elevate your detailing game to new heights. Links to all foam cannons can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car detailing content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we bring you more top-notch equipment recommendations. Happy foaming!